Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. So today we will see lecture number 6 from the subject numerical methods. Today we will do one more example from the false position method so that you will understand it clearly, and after that I will give you an assignment. Actually the assignment would be same as of the assignment number 1. That is the reason how you are going to understand how false position method is faster than the bisection method. You would understand in bisection method the same problem would take more iterations, and the same problem would take lesser iterations if you do that using the false position method. So today's question is about find the root of the equation cos x minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 whose root lies between 0 and 1. Find the root correct to 4 not significant digits. Let us do it up to the 4 decimal digits. Okay, so that you will understand it. Up to the 4 decimal digits. Okay, you know that our equation is cos x minus 3x plus 1. Okay, our x1 is given 0 and x2 is equal to 1. So we have to find the root between the two. So our first iteration would be like, we have to first calculate f of x1 by taking the value of x1 and substituting that in the equation. So cos of 0 minus 3 into 0 plus 1. After calculating this, cos 0 is 1, this is a 0 plus 1, that will be equal to 2. F of x2 is equal to, by taking this value and substituting in the equation, cos of 1 minus 3 into 1 plus 1. After solving this, you are going to get the result as minus 1. They are having the opposite signs, that means we can solve this. So after that we have to calculate the value of x3, and you know the formula is x1 f of x2 minus x2. So sorry about this. Okay. x2 f of x1 divided by f of x2 minus f of x of 1. So x1 is 0 into f of x2, that is minus 1, minus x2 is 1 into f of x1 is 2, divided by minus 1 minus 2. The result which you will get is minus 2 by minus 3. This will be equal to 2 by 3. Then after calculating the value of f of x3, this will be equal to, by substituting the value in the equation, you are going to get the result will be like minus 0.0001. okay, therefore f of x of 1 into f of x of 3, both are having the opposite signs, that means the result will be obviously less than 0. So we have to replace x2 by x3. Therefore our new search interval will be 0 comma, we have to replace x2 by x3, so x3 is 2 by 3, so 2 by 3. This is the first iteration. Second iteration, so our x1 is same as it was, so x2 is equal to 2 by 3. So f of x1 will be as it is 2, f of x2 will be, by substituting the values, we are going to get the value which we already calculated in the previous equation. Then the value of x3, by substituting all the values in the formula, the result which we will get is 0.6649. Please make sure that you will write the formula and then substitute the answers. So f of x3 will be equal to 3.9946. Therefore f of x1 into f of x2 will be greater than 0. Both are positives, so obviously it will be a positive value. So same sign hai, so therefore we have to replace x1 by x3. Therefore our new search interval will be x1 by x3. So x3 is 0.6649 comma x2 will remain as it is, 2 by 3. In the third iteration, our x1 will be 0.6649 and our x2 will be 2 by 3. So by substituting this value in the first equation, f of x1 will be 3.9946 and f of x2 will be equal to minus 0.0001. Then substituting all the values in the formula, our x3 will be minus 2.6631 divided by minus 3.9947, which is equal to 66. I have already calculated this question because it would take more time if I would take the calculator and do it for you, on spot. So please do each and every question very carefully. Sometimes it's not necessary the calculations which I am doing will be 100% correct. Sometimes calculations might get wrong. Well, I'm sure that would not be possible, but still क्रॉस चेक करने में कोई इशू नहीं है. रिप्लेस x1 by x3. Therefore our new search interval will be x1 को रिप्लेस करना है x3 से, so x3 का वैल्यू इज 0.6666 and x2 would remain as it is. Okay, so this is up to the third iteration. Fourth iteration. Till now, if we will see in second iteration, x3 का वैल्यू हमारे पास जो आ रहा है that is 0.6649 and we have to see कि 4 decimal digits तक हमारा जो रिजल्ट है, अगर कुछ आइट्रेशंस में सेम आया then we have to stop because f of x3 भी 4 decimal digits तक 0 नहीं आ रहा है. In आइट्रेशन नंबर 3 हमारे जो 4 आइट्रेशंस तक 4 decimal digits तक वैल्यू आ रहा है that is 0.4 times 6, right? Now we will see our fourth iteration. So our x1 is equal to 0.6666 and x2 में कोई change नहीं है, so that would be 2 by 3. So after calculating the value of x of 1, the result would be 1.3232. F of x2 will be minus 0.0001. By substituting the values in x3, we are going to get 0.6666 and f of x3 is equal to by taking this value and substituting in the equation, we are going to get the value as 1.3232, right? So we can say therefore f of x of 1 into f of x of 3 are of the same signs. That means that would be greater than 0, but we have to replace x1 by x3. But if you will observe, in iteration number 3, the value of x3 is 0.4 times 6 and in the iteration number 4 the value of x3 is 0.4 times 666. So we can stop over here and we can write by observing iteration number 3 and 4, no change is produced. So therefore we take x is equal to 0.6666 as our desired solution. So we can say therefore x is equal to 0.666 is the root of the equation. It's very easy. So this was a question based on the false position method. I will give you an assignment. I will make a little bit change in the past assignment. So please go through them and see the difference between the false position and bisection method. In the next class, we will see the open-end method or the extrapolation methods, or in order to find the roots of the linear and nonlinear equations, where we have to understand and learn two methods, the Newton-Raphson method and the secant method. Inshallah, we will do that tomorrow. Thank you.